Hi, welcome to Vision Classes. It's classes for IGCSE, GCSE student. Today we have to discuss A Level Paper 3 Trigonometric question. So it's an interesting question from Pure Mathematics 3, October, November 2022. Our new batches or classes for basic understanding of math, how you can build your strong base for AS and A Level. Classes are going on. So suppose if you want to connect with us, I have left the contact in the description box. You can straight away connect with us. Fine. Then moving on to question number 4, express 4 cos of x minus sin of x in the form of r cos of x plus alpha, r greater than 0 and alpha in between 0 to 90. State the value of r and give the answer of alpha in the up to 2 decimal places. So here you have to compare this 4 cos of x is equal to r cos of x plus alpha. You have to expand this cos of x plus alpha. It's a cos sin, isn't it? If you look at the formula, then r cos of x cos of alpha, here you have a positive, so you have to write here negative, then r sin of x sin of alpha, that's expansion. Then you have to compare here 4 cos of x minus sin of x. So here this cos of x and cos of x term you have to compare, and then sin of x and here sin of x term you have to compare. So r cos of alpha is equal to 4, r sin of alpha is equal to just a 1. So if you take r sin of alpha divided by r cos of alpha is equal to 1 upon 4 ratio, so it's a tan of alpha is equal to 1 upon 4 and alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 4, which you will get the answer if you check in the calci. Alpha is equal to 14.04. So then you have to calculate r value, right? From this two equation you can take here r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square alpha is equal to 4 square plus 1 square. So take r common, so r square in a bracket you left with cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 1, right? And this sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. So r is equal to square root of 17. Yeah, that's it. These are the two values you have to find out. Find alpha and r value. Okay. And this is 3 mark question. So if you write these steps, you will get 3 out of 3. Then you will get here in the form of r cos of x plus alpha, you will get the value as a root of 17 cos of x plus 14.04. That's a value, right? And then next part of sub question, here you have to solve 4 cos of 2x minus sin of 2x is equal to 3, and you have to find out theta in between 0 to 180 degree, and this is 5 mark question. Fine. And here if you look at this one, it's a 2x. Fine. So 2x means basically you have to compare first of all this left hand side here. 4 cos of x minus sin of x is equal to 3 root 17 cos of x plus 14.04 is equal to 3. Fine. So here you have to write down just a 2x because we have here 2x. Fine. Then transfer this 17 to the right hand side, so it will be 2x plus 14.04 is equal to cos inverse of 3 upon root of 17. Fine. And so cos inverse of 3 upon root of 17.04 is equal to 43.31. Fine, minus 14.04 and divided by 2, it's a 14.6. so x value you will get 14.6, and we have to find out here basically 0 to 180 degree, right? So you will get another value. Take out here even the next value from the cos graph, right? Cos graph is like here 90, 180, 270 and 360. This is cos graph. And here somewhere around 3 upon root of 17 value, and here intersection point 43.3, right? And 360 minus 43.31. The second next value here you will get is 316.69. 316.69. Okay. So again you have to compare this value here. Look at this one, 2x plus 14.04 is equal to 316.69, And if you solve this whole equation, you will get x is equal to 151.3. Fine. Yeah, that is what you have to write. Fine. So here x, two values of x you will get in between 0 to 180, which are 14.6 comma 151.3. Suppose if you want to know the tips and tricks to get A star grade, I have left the connect with our classes. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.